Hello everyone. So we are MicroX Labs. We are an infection monitoring company. So what we build is solutions for immune compromised patients to monitor the infection risk at their home. So earlier we were building the solutions for oncology, but during the COVID we wanted to expand our panel. Earlier we were doing cell counting like white blood cells and platelets in blood. And during COVID, we added few more inflammation markers like CRP, procalcitonin, and LDH. These biomarkers tell about the severity of the patient. If the patient is in a mild category, moderate category, or a severe category, and the broader vision is that the results can be streamed real time to the physician, so that from the comfort of the point of care, the patient can be called back to the hospital, or they can be advised to stay at home and quarantine there itself. So during the startup Spark, we did the proof of concept for these biomarkers for CRP, procalcitonin, and lactate. We built the necessary electronics and the sensors for optical detection. We also built a solution for cartridges using laser machining. This is a small working demonstration video. So user has to first do a finger prick. Then there is some sample preparation step in which you have to collect the blood and you have to put in a particular cartridge. So these cartridges are like equivalent to glucose cartridges. And then the cartridge has to be inserted into one instrument. This instrument will be made more smaller in the coming days. Then there is something called a sample preparation, which is like automation of the chemistry and on the blood using the different kind of reagents is done. Then optical measurement is done, and simultaneously some heating of the stuff is also done. In the coming days, we are advising on the assay part, on the chemistry part of it. The business aspect is that the product will be sold as a subscription model. So you can rent the instrument and the cartridges will be sold. And the rental model is that around 50 euros rental per month. And the cartridges will be sold at around 8 euros. So this is the business model. And finally, right now we are doing more validation with Professor Anna at Polish Academy of Sciences booths, and we'll be testing on some more COVID samples with Medical University in Łódź in Poland with Professor Eva. This is around July 2021. Right now, we have applied for an NCBR grant for 1.5 million euros, and we are looking for investors for around 200,000 euros as a private financing. So that's all from our side. We would love to take in any questions, anything. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you.